डरने वालों को नहीं मिलता कुछ भी और लड़ने वालों के कदमों में जहान मिलता है।
An overconfident person says razors are made for those who make errors, and a confident person says razors are made for those who are willing to correct their errors. So attitude makes all the difference.
The event is not successful without you. The country is not successful without you. The future of this country is not successful without you. So guys, applaud not for your own self and give it up for your own self. Thank you so much.
Attitude makes all the differences. An overconfident person says razors are made for those who make errors, and a confident person says razors are made for those who are willing to correct their errors. So attitude makes all the differences. Good morning to all wonderful people. Good morning. I am Anisa, stand here with all sincerity to put across my views about attitude differences. So nowadays people think that one who acts rude and don't show interest has attitude, but according to me, this is not attitude. This is only one's attitude, and every person has their own attitude. So as far as I know, it varies person to person, like someone has positive attitude and someone has negative attitude. So attitude is only a kind of behavior. Don't go on my words. Try to understand what I am trying to say. One who has positive attitude always gets reply positive from others, and one who has negative attitude always reply negative from others. So you can't judge people by how they treat you. You can't know one's attitude by how they treat you, but you can judge by them by how they treat people, and you don't know or how they treat animals, younger, etc. So with this, I would like to share a beautiful quote that is, your attitude, not your aptitude, will determine your altitude. So ladies and gentlemen, a lion is not taller than giraffe and not heavier than elephant, but what makes the lion the king of the jungle? Because it's their royal appearance, and it is because of tremendous roar which can be heard miles across the jungle. So that's why a lion that makes them the king of the jungle. It is because of being the icon of courage and royalty. So, and we know that a lion lives in the open, in the jungle. Why? Because it's their courage and their confidence. That's why. And we know that a lion lives in the open like a true king. That means it's not the size and it's not the shape, but what makes them the king of the jungle? Because it's their courage and their confidence. That's why a lion lives in the open, a lion like a true king. So what actually attitude? A pessimist says that if one can do, we all can do. No. If one can do, let him do. If none can do, how can I do? And optimist says that if one can do, we all can do. And if none can do, I must do it. This is my attitude, my dear friends. With this, I would like to share a quote again, that is, I'm silent, but you don't cross the limit, because if I will be violent, you will be forever silent. So don't cross your limit. Our attitude mirrors our values and beliefs. So means people understand us better. So we must try to our best. To put up a good and positive attitude that attracts the people around us and puts them at ease. So with this, again I would like to share one quote. I can tolerate, but you don't play with my dignity, because if I can start a play, then everything will be intolerable. So again I want to share beautiful quote in Hindi. लोहा जितना तपता है उतना ही ताकत बढ़ता है, लोहा जितना तपता है उतना ही ताकत बढ़ता है, सोने को जितनी आग लगे वो इतना प्रखर निखरता है, एंड हीरे पर जितनी धार लगे वो उतना खूब चमकता है। फ्रेंड्स, सूरज जैसा बनना है तो सूरज जितना जलना होगा, सूरज जैसा बनना है तो सूरज जितना जलना होगा, नदियों से आदर पाना है तो पर्वत छोड़ निकलना होगा। हम उस माँ के बेटे हैं तो क्यों सोचे कि हर रात सरल होगी, क्योंकि कुछ ज़्यादा वक्त लगेगा और हम सफल जरूर होंगे, क्योंकि फ्रेंड्स हर एक संकट का हल होगा, आज नहीं तो कल होगा। So I wrap up my speech with a quote of Jamasu, and that is, I can make something out of nothing because I have grown up learning one thing, that is impossible is nothing. So thank you so much Assembly English House, thank you so much.
Life is very short. Problem will come and go. Kill them with your success and bury them with your smile. Respected teachers and my dear friends, a very good morning to all of you.
Good morning.
My name is Abu Mohammed and I belong to Saidpur from Begusarai. Today on this special occasion, I would like to speak somewhat on the topic attitude. Attitude is a way of persons behave and expresses themselves. A person's attitude is quickly analyzed by anyone by reading their body language, communication skills, and facial expressions. Attitude does not only depict your behavior, but it only includes your emotions, feelings, and the way you look at things. A good attitude is a reflection of your good character, and a bad attitude is like a flat tire. You won't get it anywhere until you change it. It tells us a lot about their character and inner thought. Our attitude helps us make friends and surround ourselves with positive influence. Similarly, a bad attitude can alienate us from others. Attitude is a persistent tendency to feel and behave in a favorable or unfavorable condition, unfavorable way towards object, person or idea. They reflect how one feels about something. Attitudes are visible, can be observed by observing behavior. Person having positive attitude explore good things in others, do not go after negativity. They have tolerance. But person having negative attitude not inclined towards others, focus on bad people and avoid good people. Two things defines you: your passions when you have nothing, and your attitude when you have everything. My attitude is a result of your action. So if you don't like my attitude, blame yourself. A smile is my style and attitude is my fashion. So lastly, I want to share a great statement in ourselves. That is, if I would ask you all, what is the spelling of the word success? Success, S-U-C-C-E-S-S, success. And do you know that success can never be spelled without the second letter, which is U. The event is not successful without you. The country is not successful without you. The future of this country is not successful without you. So guys, applaud for your own self and give it up for your own self. Thank you so much.